Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with the great health. I'm here with my new video, and in this video you'll see your really beautiful and different foot nail art that look really amazing and that look really pretty. And as you see, today's video is totally different from my other videos. Like other videos are all about heels, but today video is about foot nail art and really different color combination. As you see, this is a red and golden type of gold type of thing that look really pretty. And immerse yourself in a world of color. Our feet nail polish art collection boost a diverse palette from bold neons that scream summer's vibes to sophisticated nude tones perfect for any occasions. Elevate your nail game with your intricate design, from delicate floral to geometrical pattern. Each stroke is a masterpiece, turning your nail into a canvas of our artistic expressions. Stay on trend with our seasonal collection, whether it's floral blossoms or of spring's vibrant hues of summers, warm tones of fall, or cool blues for winters. Or nail polish art keep you in style all year round. Our formula goes beyond aesthetics, and with nourishing ingredients, it not only adds a pop of colors to your nails but also promote their health. And stay on trend with our seasonal collection. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video, and comment below which type of video you want to see the next. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching this video.